Miyamono na indo mwanchu murigere ribonekera ogenderete kubwatia miroberi yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo musi charagire Chinsa Isato chiabona mogoroba na ndekero ngo kwarigania SMS Amayia irongo manyibuna nara yana kwarganire asenchera ere yobekiranu ekarabona toroche engana ya ogo kwa gose ogo kuna gutinde kwa abantu asensemo ya Shakahola ime ya Malindi County ya Kilifi kugenderete koreta obwoba na boigomongso ekero abarai abagenderete go kwanera engane yega abase twarabna omo gose omurandi abwe kanisa ya New Life Prayer Center Ezekiel Odero nabaga kubekwa byara asnaba nyanyimbo ase agochia gutukabwikira nuko bwatikana nakirya gotebekana nanigo abantu abanke abara bafuasi baye gusaba bwatani baye ababere bagusiria amagima abo inyoro muno mwanchu muriro murandi ori Paul Mackenzie nera nigagenderete gutangwa segeta seni kyabanyanyimbo ko bwatikana nengane yo gusira amagima kwa bantu na gutinde kwa askeria gotebekana buna ababwatani gose bari abakubwatia abarandi abaigani go babere bakungainwa ase keria bagoteiwa buna nigo bakogenda igoro ekero bakure kono nengane genderete koreta okungsoko nene asense ya Kenya ekero troche buna ase bungeria Senate nigo abanakamati 10 babere bagochorwa ase ogokonya gotuka igoro yengane yega mwanchu muri ngo kwarigana SMS Amayangu manyaina kwarigana ile semo ya Facebook tonyarwetra Ndizi TV News Digital ase semo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News ase mutandao Twitter @Ndizi TV News iriyo togendre gusanga mangiri tariane Everlyne Osero kabana incho ikomo iriyo Kwari anto ya chaka senchira ya bene awaseria swari tukoria kabere asabara libegeta seni kya Ndizi TV gotarira bananchi ase Chinsemo au imeye county ya Kisii ase ababa bakoraria meuse ko unanchira ya moyo gusangana abamenyi abaiga nako bamanyia emeroberio yegeta seni ekiga na litorengete gokora anenase amatukari bosio ono litukoria lero ni goto abatu gotarira Chinsemo au gati abensemo ya daraja 2 ensemo ya suneka egati chinde chinyinge astware ngena babwatani au abuboigo bagokeire emeroberio yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV muri keito dipo nasanya no arenge gati yo musabaro yo tigatewe na rayaya atwariganirete ali abakagokorekana ase Chinsemo au
Nigorero ria baritukoria kabere nario mwario ryo musabara Osero disho emba ukegima kurwa segeta seni kya Ndizi TV ime yorogongo rwa Gusii ababwatani bandizi TV nigo basangana bamenyi be county ya Kisii ase Chinsemo ao egati yabone jira nene ya daraja 2 ejiro ya suneka Kiogoro Ogembo Mogonga Magena Nyangusu Nyacheki Masimba Keroka Keumbu na boigo bakorera emochi obosongo Gati ababwatani bagokera etareye ngamona company ya Safaricom Mama Tevi Mitumba Rocky Driving School Enokem Agrovet Pick Uniform Amana Light Tower Electricals
Namini branch Yeregalia asomo chero songo market plaza Rocky Driving School karibuni unosi mshule wa ombi kila watoto pale na bei yetu tumeweka chini kabisa Ikupa kidogo wazalitia wakati school just free Junior secondary Promoter school Promoter chef DC and primary kwa ligera maria wana mbalo kwa tabio kwa ligera maria mbalo kwa idea ya bado kwa wale kwa 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 angara na watu ndio wachizora hiyo ndio kwa hizo mambo ya na ajira na ndio kwa kidogo kwa ajili ya ndio kama kama ndio kwa ndio 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 ndio
Boigo nigo baina na ebiego ao na gusegeta obumanyi bwabo bwa mang'ana Amayia nemeroberio emuyansu. Kuripotele getaseni kia Ndizi TV kurwa ase county ya Kisii elietaria Nendipon asanya.
Mia mono murikeito diponasanya ase oroboti ururikiranu togotigana nayo nigo ekiombe gya Tandasa Memorial Empowerment yaretkoria rero baba kumirana ase skuru yoboroso ya Gesore yo toka se ward ya township ebunge ya West Mugrango imeye county ya Nyamira eriyo kubeka emeroberio ao anene eyo erengete gokonya abana bali bakorwa ase chiamate kitari kwenyara muroberio yo nigo bagokora no munyakero go bekiombe kyo Andrea Murara abatana nigo barachi kubwatirana kwene kiabuna abana ngokonya kabale na senjere ya moyo kubarosi kobeke gori kiamambi umurikit kurose county ya Nyamira job mangi na mangi.
Erinde gosira abana bakurwa chinka chintaka na chiri kitari kwenyara nige kiombe gya Tandasa Memorial Foundation kyabekwa oboroso asomoyega okoreka asegeti yesukuru yoboroso ya Gesore egotoka ebunge ya West Mugrango county ya Nyamira
chenga abana na abange timati usuno butaka bwa bayiro obonge lakini abana mbalege tokonyora baraba ngaini bagweta matemwa lakini basinyu kugendera masomo asingecho batapatanye kutari nyara gwaka ne fees abana abo nawo baisa ko bamba asoma bakonyanga ekenyoleke gima Gusii ngima ekwira na mageka
asaboro kiwa bane bakurwa se chinka chintaka banyora obosirwa bunatoboto kwererwa no munyakero bwekembekyo Andrea Murara
baye mono toko chagaro chintaka na butoko preference mbali bali bakonyanga so mwibulyo yomo tayo kusenyo yo use bonsia baibuli mbayo ekero ba apply bacha twagenda ntubate committee ito yikaransa yaligereri nga oyo nga yakorwa emechando yabana nitwa balance ntubasa kwa abana kurwe kenyolekemo ogokonya
nige kiombeke konyora ogosirwa kurwa somorandi Evans Ongeri na sebarachi goligia ogosirwa konde kurwa se ababwatani ao
patroni yeke ombeke geito okurukwa pastor Evans Yokeri Muse erega somete asengejo yo gusirwa ne chiamate siyo tokara tochime abana buna butole gusento basire yake egere bagenda gisukuru ekyo na bache kwekonya na bache gotokonya
Peter Nyaberi oyoro muliki bwekembekyo nateba nigo bachakera se county Nyamira asebaligeti kogaleya obokonyi bwabo kuchia se county chinde chiremeyense ya Kenya
continuous igotwa ya chakire bono and our vision will be that like other foundations those are foundations which are there forever na bana bande tatebe ekegoli kende gegoturu nyuma na kero ke konya kamna twakonyekire
aborokyo banyora obokonyi kurwa sekembekyo mbairaneria ekyombekyo mbya mono asebate bambachi gokora omokia elinde goikerania eganga yabo ase obugima
learn at St. Peter's Dominican High School. What I would like to thank this foundation that they see that it is good to help us so that we'll be successful.
Ensemu ya Bible mbateba ogusira banyora ngochiko bakonya anene mono asenge ncho bakurwa se chinka chintaka nechitali kwenyara
agokirani naziru kwana nagokira nagokira somorobiri yogenda tabusiabu abana baite ndidwe kabanyene gakindel kwenyara bakitwate ibidem yamana nande yamana so kole morobiri neyo
Mwana ore na msacha kule school ona be no mogoko na school anyore no tete ya mama nyali ya tete
kurwa se county Nyamira ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Mbia mono murikeito job manki asoroboti orurikiranu korwase county ya Nyamira ebyombe ao anene korwase ebunge ya Tutu Chache South county ya Kisii nigori tukoria rero baba kumerana ase ward ya Osero nenchire moyo kworo kyali babiri bagokora na kubeke miroberio yogochia kogendera kubwatrana elio kwegendereria no murobero boigo bagwikiranu no MC ward ya Osero oyo menyikanye na Vincent Abuga oyo akambia no ase omukia bw'abanyakyomba bona ko ireira yogocha kubabwatia kwene kyabuna nkwegenderera balebuya ase ogokonyeka kwabo murikeito Mildred Mumanyi no roboti urwaso bwime
Chibesa nigo chigendete kubura asense ya Kenya anene mono gocha ase county bono nigo abantu bagendete kwerikia ase byombe ao asogocha mobune enchere ya moyo kwegendereria kebogima asense moya rera eyereme ward ya Osero ebunge ya Tutu Chache South nigo ebyombe 12 byeligetie byacha amo eliogosanga ebirengereryo igoro yali babeire bagokora gosebaganirie gochaka ase omo MC bwenseme yo Vincent Abuga aikirana eliogosanga n'abanyakyomba bwo ase abaganya kwegendereria asense moyoboremi gati y'ebintu binde ebinge
ntune county government ya Kisii ntobwate program yogokonye ebyombe biri byabere registered igontagete ko baye encouraging akero kende bari mutara register make sure ngamubwati certificate erinde kereto goja kwigera gochaga go support ebyombe etoke nganaye kyombe kyaongere register tigangiraneri omo chairman my brother Wilfred ngambia mona asinge nchokorete ebyombe amo enere nchire yemo yokoreto bwa matubuya enere nchire yemo yogosiria obobisa boringa ncheno mogere ncheno mugusi ncheno muruya we are one family monande ntokore gasieso bwamo igebyombe nenchire yemo turanyare go ichamo tokoroboremi totuge chingoko totuge chinjoke nebinte bingi amapping already mwachaki na inje no mwa MCA through my effort ninchente mesana make sure na abasopotri kuringana na uwezo wangu
asomo yegoyo oragwa no mochairman bwebyombe korwa ase ward ya Osero Wilfred Oruru nigo agania abantu gocha amo na gosira na kera engaki
abanga abantu baminto igo tuachira atotebya abantu baito bamanye umuhimu bwebyombe ekere kyombe giachaka ali ase county yetu ya Kisii nigo giatebete ngabeka abantu bonsi amo ekero bajikobeka amo bakaranga mbuya tonyare goikere byombe abantu aba baito korurera iga ase nsinyo ya Kisii county nigo tuachikira ase ngenjo mwato jorete na tunyare ko batoko baretera uchumbe rero nigo tuachira iga eri tunyare kwerimisha abantu baito igoro yoko bamabune byombe nande banyare ko babagokonyana ase ekonyarikana tiga tobe togokora emirimo eyere ye burunge eri tobwaterane tusirio butaka korwa ase emechi yaito
gati y'abanyakyombe abo nigo bagania abantu kwerikia ase byombe ao ase barwa oborori asali abanyorire korwa ase byombe biria bare
kikundi yetu imetuendeleza vizuri maana tunakuwa na maendeleo tofauti. Tuko na kikapu hapa tunatengeneza, siku ya soko tunapeleka tunapata pesa. Tungeomba kama tunaweza ungana na mkubwa yetu amekuja leo aone kama anaweza siku moja tuongeze pesa tununue material ili hata tunaweza peleka soko ya mbali. Naweza ambia wale wajajiunga wajiunge pamoja. Hii kikundi inalete watu pamoja. Kuleta pamoja yani huwezi fanya mambo ya ingine mbaya huko nje. Utaangalia kama kikundi yenu kikundi ingine iko karibu na wewe uingie hapo.
Ngolipotelia egetaseni kya Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred Mumanyi.
Miamana Moriketo Mildred Mumanyi ase oroboti ururikiranu omo MCA we wodi ya Rigomanya mbega gisesa nigesokirie na kugikeria buroro o turubani wa kubonchorera n'abantu gete kubwatkana ningana yorobebe anene asensemo ya keroka chingakie choni gomo MCA we wodi ya Ichuni Wycliffe Siocha neraberega kugikeria enganeyo ase keria terebuna nachigotene na bwikiranu asensemo yaye erio kwegerera county gose kwegerera ejimbebecho na naboni gaya chire chinga kibono abarayikorwa se county ya Nyamira baba goteba bunani go bategete Chinsa mugeta se county echichira se county ya Kisii chibe chiko iranigwa ase county ya Nyamira na no chibwenerete gutoka
mbega kisesa omo MCA Rigoma wode yo wata se town ya Keroka lakini shida ya bere kurugoro guns county officials na baheshimiwa ba kuru town ya Kisii ose county government ya Kisii bava miete town ya Keroka na lero banza violence ya bere ingango kwanega biasatiwe kwa Keroka so by inside violence igongo boli abaminto kuru ase county ya Kisii tutetu twaro mulembe igongo basaba batige ko inside violence ikenekina tuchiete koti tige koti anyane cheche yamwe ngayoro beberule
asa marieta igon kwa Wycliffe Siocha mwana umanyekanete bune mbando mu MCA we ward ya Ichuni abo hasomo chio Keroka asema yabe me ero so itangani tigante bengendo kyaro kana Keroka litikori rero ni bakeregente kebesana kwenda continue go dispute ya boundary temine tinga you dispute and then ogenda go ahead korwa leaflets yotabya abantu you want to invade yokore usangire kwebanga sayo asaya munsi and na ande umanye koimuka oendo beke roadblock kwa bandi biga gusaba kwane ngo ngate boundary chiroro chisikwe enje buno mora yo chora sense mo ya ichwot as county ya Kisii aule nishwanga I am protecting the boundaries na inherited
Omurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigaikirana asense ya Buganda ilikumirana na barayibande kuruwa Chinsa mo au asomuroberi gosomusangirikano wo kwanira igoro yokoleta amaunchorerio ase obumobwa Africa anena sense mo ya Somalia okwana chingakie choni gomurai wense ya Buganda Yoweri Museveni akirambia mono Chinsa metichonsi na tabuna orogongoro Africa babere bakubwatirana anene asokugayana emechando au eyerengete akoreta obwa mateburo buyana gukora tisegi.
Some of the similar problems we have solved in Africa here, like when we solved the problem of Idi Amin working with Tanzania. Africa can solve these problems once we agree on the concept. Because that time, it was Tanzania and us, nobody, a little bit Zambia, a little bit Mozambique, and we solved the problem of Idi Amin. The problem of Burundi, it was solved by East Africa. So this problem, the way we discussed today, I'm sure we can solve it. We don't have to say much. I don't know whether the Excellency wants to say something. Excellency. Okay. Thank you. So with these few words, the conference is, the summit is closed.
Omukonyi bw'omurai bw'ense Rigathi Gachagua nigaruro okoboria ase ababwatani au kubwatirana nabo bisebe serikali kwenekya buna obutumiki bw'ebinyuwa by'ogotindana n'ebiri bitancheiri bwabere bokoera ase Chinsa mo au eriogokeania obusali na boigo obutumiki bw'ebinyuwa ebyo okwana chinga kyaumirana nabo bisebe serikali na boigo ababwatani au gati abo mosoero monene bw'erichiko ekyombe yokorwania amarero yogotindia kya nakada KEBS nabo igo aba county commissioner sensemo ya Kenya School of Government gashawa nigate babuna nebwenerete emirobere saine bege kobekwa eri okorwania emechando ekoretwa korwa so gutumikibwe binyugwa byo gutindia anene bunenchire ye moyo gokonya abasae korwa so kwebwatani aso busari bwe chingenjo au nengana yabage kwewa okoboko nababwatani abo bari ira yugo chikobwatirana kwene kiabu na ngokonya bale nontari abasae boka akorende aba Kenya bonsi.
From DCI, from the National Police Service, from the DPP, from the Attorney General, to help our MCAs to come up with uniform law across the 5 counties. And the assemblies agreed. Immediately the laws have been drafted. After public participation, they will give the laws priority. And we gave ourselves a target that the laws must be in place before the 30th of June. So we'll have laws.
We will try and do joint training together. That is one proposal that His Excellency has done, which is excellent. In addition, I think it is high time that we involve each other even before you do the arrests. We are here, the ODPP are your advisors when it comes to criminal matters. We can advise you and say, County Commissioner and County Commander, we can go this way. If we are targeting this place, let us make sure we have.
Chibesa chiria chikoba wago chia sechi county bono nigo chia mentre wikekerengo ye chiringi chi bilioni 15.4 eyorengete buna chi county bono nigo chira chi konyora chi shiringi chi bilioni 353.5 ase budget yo mwaka wechi 2023 no mwaka wechi 2024 ekero ekoreng'aniwa na chiria barenge gose chi county chiarenge konyora echo chiarenge chi shiringi chi bilioni 352. Aya magega yo muraibense Dr. William Samoei Ruto kobeka SAE aserichi koria Division of Revenue Bill eriori abali wetiwa nebunge omwako yoga wechi 2023. Ekiama ya Kenya Union Party CUP ekikora wano yo kabero mugavana we county ya West Pokot Professor John Lonyangapuo nigo bono kiabe kirese yo koiwana kubwatana ne kiama kya United Democratic Alliance ekyokera se obomo bwa Kenya kwanza okwana chinga kicho kwariganiwa asie kiama ekyo Lonyangapuo nigateba unabara se kiama ya CUP nigo berure kegima kubwatia machikonsi nabo igo kubwatrana wikirania alionsi aganeirie ase kiamekyo irikoreta amagendro nigo bariganiwa n'umurikyo munene w'ikiama kya UDA Cleophas Malala.
Today we announce the signing of a significant coalition agreement. This milestone partnership marks a new era of unity and collaboration in Kenya's political landscape. The coalition agreement between Kenya Kwanza Alliance and KUP is rooted in the shared vision of advancing the welfare and prosperity of the Kenyan people. Both parties.
Mimi pamoja na timu yangu ya Kenya Union Party tumetimiza ile safari ambayo tulikuwa tumepanga kama chama kuhakikisha mambo ambayo tulipewa na wafuasi wetu iweze kufikia leo kwamba tunaingia hii chama kubwa ya Kenya Kwanza. Kwa hivyo tuko full house hapa, na niseme ni vizuri kujua mahali huko na mahali unaenda.
Obamo bw'abanyagatari betu nigo besokire na koerera obu obabwabo kubwatikana askeri bagoteba buna nogotakanwa wechi gotarwe wechi besa gochiase serikali chechi county yento batebire buna nigo kirache kore maria obokorere bwabo anene ase ebinyorime gokwana chinga cy'umusangirekano bwokonyora maigerio igoro yobo tugyo bunigo abateneri babo mu bwaganire serikali kwene kya buna ngo bwatukere chibesa gochiase chi county ase chinga kibwene bagenderete erioko babanyagitari betugo chinga kinyororo cyokurenda na gokonya etugo.
Training of veterinarians has been highly male dominated, but with increased interest in welfare of animals, I think more of female trainees and females have been interested in taking up the course. So we have an increase, almost now 50% in the training institutions, especially of veterinarians.
This being a scientific conference is very unique in that it imparts what is happening in the process, what research is the finding in research, so that these members or these registered vets and paraprofessionals are at par with what is happening in the world and any development that there is in the field of animal industry.
As the association, we are really perturbed by the fact that the counties are not getting funds from the national government. I know of some counties which have not paid their staff for the last 2 months, and this can easily affect veterinary services, because the veterinary service is an essential service as per the Constitution of Kenya. And if the national government does not release funds to the counties and our members get paid, there's chances of laxity, and in the long run, we can have issues to do with the food safety, because they are the ones who inspect the meat, they are the ones who inspect who treat the animals, they are the ones who know the welfare and health of animals. So the national government should disperse the monies to the counties, and the counties can be able to pay our members, and they can be able to discharge their duties without being hindered.
Chiamate chinyinge kurwase chinsemo au imeya Naivasha county ya Nakuru nigo barebirero neye magaga ya barabugotigara batabwatyo mumenyo kubwatikana nembure nyinge yabeteye kwenekiwa ase chinsemejo koirera ogusaliwa kwenibo yabo chinyomba egatiye binde binge kurengana baraboni gobono basinyire ase bagochia egento baganire serikali kwenekia bunango soeregati erioko babo konyubonde bwonsi ekero bagendrete korigia chinchera chiokomenya.
Sisi kweli kutoka juzi hii ni mto sasa ile imetulemea mara 5 imekuja, lakini hii ya jana usiku ilikuja ingine ya saa 3 ikakuja ingine ya saa 5:30. Hii sasa ikakuwa too much, lakini sasa kwetu ndani ya manyumba hakuna kitu lolote iko ndani ya manyumba, chochote tulikuwa naye malazi kila kitu yote hakuna kwa manyumba.
Watu ambao tuliwachagua kina MCA, kina magavana, kujeni msikie kilio chetu. Tumehangaika kwa muda sana. Wanasema ya kwamba wanatubomolea mpaka mabridge. Kwanza mahali MCA huko mama ambaye tulikuchagua. Tunakuhitaji. Sisi kama wamama tunaadhirika mpaka miguu kwa sababu ya kufuga kila mara.
Hatuna mbegu, shamba zote zimekaa flat. Na sisi tunataka kuona MCA, hatuna kwanza MCA, hatuna hata chief. Hatuoni wakati sisi kila siku tunaadhiriwa na maji lakini hatuwaoni. Kwa hivyo hatuna watu wote, kiongozi chochote sisi hatuna.
Tunaomba serikali ituletee malazi. Malazi yote yamebebwa jana usiku. Yote imeenda.
Ensemo ya kerio na boigo baringo nigo chiabekire okoiwana ugocha kobwatrana eriyo gosira oboremi bwechingencho au ase chinsemecho enigera bebunenchire yemoyo gokonya ukoro muchando bwenchara sensemeyo na boigo obusagani obwabere boko enekiwa ase egetambe nigo boigo barengete koreta omorembe na boigo konya bamenyi ase okwerigeria na gotiga kwebwatani obosari bwechingencho au.
Baringo is one of the leading counties in terms of honey production, and to this end we are collaborating with the county in apiculture, modernizing the processing and increasing the outreach programs. And even as we talk today is that we are starting probably in the next 2 weeks implementation of water programs worth 100 million covering the larger Baringo County. And this will have a huge impact in terms of security, shared resources, and conservation and food security. So, Your Excellency, we are very glad. You have severally come to our offices. You have been knocking our offices, seeking support. And we are very happy that the train has left the station.
we have signed an MOU today with Kerio Valley Development Authority, which is one of our agencies in Kenya that is located in the Noreb economic bloc. Is meant to create wealth for the people of this county and to support initiatives that will assist in making that a reality. Of course, food security is number one. And to be able to realize food security, we must be able to ensure that we fight the forces of climate change that deny us an opportunity to create wealth through production of food. And the idea of environmental conservation through conservation of degraded land in partnership with KVDA is welcome. More important is the planting of trees that has taken off in earnest, and I said during other sessions that we will contribute towards the planting of more than 1 million trees on our part as a county, and now KVDA has said it's going to do 1 million trees.
Ekiombe kerige kurigereria na kurwa maigere igoro yemirobero ya magendro ni gori tukoria rero baikirana ase nsemo ya Garissa ase baba kurwa boseme ucha saba menyi benseme yo wetanga kurwa so butukana nubwa cinchera cinde chionsi na monoko baboria kwene kiabuna nkubeka bare omorembe uyorare ta magendro ase nseme yo.
We are going to do under this program called FLOCA is to undertake actions, local-led climate actions from the community level to enhance the resilience of the community through the normal vagaries we are receiving related to climate change. The Asals counties, or maybe in Kenya, we are either in two conditions, specifically in our regions.
This program will or is being implemented. We believe strongly that there will be a number of complaints that will arise around climate change actions, initiatives. So the Commission appreciates the fact that climate change is having a serious impact on the local communities. Like, for example, during drought, there are many issues in line with that. When there is rains, there are also many issues around raining season.
Mwanchu muri bano goikiraga iganongo korera Amayia Chinsa Isato asenchera ere yoboikira numbia monaso gochora kubana nchiko ikomero na monombia monaso kugendera kubwate mirobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV na buo obwansu bwo musi bali bonsto abatoko bwatrana basaki baito kwena kyabuna mangana wikira asenchera yoboikiranu na barabuo ni gonko bakirangambia mononyora semirobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV asensemeri ya Facebook na bagotonyora witira Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asomutandao Twitter na bago Twitter at Ndizi TV News aboigo na bogutume kerengerere kiao gosanga etira se namba era se screen yao gagu eri otogendere gosanga na boigo kwemanyia amange bia mono asogo chora kuligereria Ndizi TV na bobwansu bwo mugusingo kanere buligere liborobia na boigo obotko borobotoire reteriane Everlyne Osero ekarto gwatrana nere Abigail Nyanchama kwene kiabuna chibicha neriogi chago ikira senchira ya bene.